Hello and welcome to ENGLIO. In today's lesson, you will learn 20 common opposite words with simple meanings and easy examples, which also known as antonyms. So let's get started. Lesson number 5, word number 1. Big, small. It means large, little. For example, this house is big, that house is small. Word number 2. Hot, cold. It means high temperature, low temperature. For example, tea is hot, ice cream is cold. Word number 3. Happy, sad. It means joyful or unhappy. For example, she is happy, he is sad. Word number 4. Tall, short. It means high, not high. For example, Ali is tall, Sarah is short by height. Word number 5. Good, bad. It means nice, not good. For example, today is a good day. Yesterday was a bad day. Word number 6. Rich, poor. It means having a lot of money or having little money. For example, he is rich, they are poor. Word number 7. Old, young. It means aged, not old. For example, my grandfather is old, my brother is young. Word number 8. Early, late. It means before time, after the time. For example, I came early, she arrived late. Word number 9. Strong, weak. It means powerful, not strong. For example, the lion is strong, the kitten is weak. Word number 10. Light, heavy. It means not heavy, having a lot of weight. For example, this bag is light, that box is heavy. Word number 11. Full, empty. It means containing everything, nothing inside. For example, the glass is full, the bottle is empty. Word number 12. Day, night. It means time with sunlight, time after sunset. For example, we work during the day, we sleep at night. Word number 13. Up, down. It means higher, lower. For example, look up, look down. Word number 14. Inside, outside. It means in, out. For example, the cat is inside the house, the dog is outside. Word number 15. Accept, reject. It means to agree or to refuse. For example, I accept your invitation. She rejected the job offer. Word number 16. Start, finish. It means begin, complete. For example, let's start the lesson. We finish our homework. Word number 17. Left, right. It means left side, right side. For example, turn left, turn right. Word number 18. Laugh, cry. It means to smile with happiness, to shed tears. For example, the baby laughs, the baby cries. Word number 19. Give, take. It means to hand something to someone, to receive something. For example, please give me the book, please take this pen. Word number 20. Win, lose. It means to be successful, to fail. For example, our team won the match, their team lost the match. So guys, it's my advice to you that learning just a few words every day can make a big difference in your English. So keep practicing every day. If you have any question, so let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.